Hi, welcome to a continuation of our discussion of Gaap from Module 1. You'll recall in Module 1 we discussed 5 Gaap principles: historical cost, the stable dollar assumption, the general purpose assumption, adequate disclosure principle, and the materiality principle. We're going to add 3 more principles or assumptions to our Gaap list today. First is the entity principle. The entity principle simply requires that the assets of the business are separate from the assets of the owner of the business. In other words, the business is separate from its owners. This applies, for example, in the case where the owner of a construction company gives his daughter a company car to drive. The daughter performs no work for the company. Under the entity principle, this car should not be part of the company's financial statements. It's separate from the business. Okay. The going concern assumption is even more basic. It simply states that absent evidence to the contrary, a business is assumed to continue as a going concern. That is, it will remain in business into perpetuity unless we have evidence to suggest otherwise. The objectivity principle is a very important Gaap principle for us. Objectivity basically requires that all financial statement entries, all transactions, be based upon objective evidence, okay, the most objective evidence. For example, it's possible to buy land by paying for it with the company's stock. So if we buy a piece of land for which we have an appraisal of $1 million, and we pay with company stock which trades at a value of $1.2 million, which is the most objective evidence? The appraisal or the value of the stock? In this case, clearly if we know the value of the stock, its evidence is pretty objective. An appraisal is based on many estimates and projections. So in that case, we'd use the value of the stock. However, let's take another case where we have a closely held company where the stock doesn't trade. We may think the stock is worth $1.2 million, but in that case the objectivity principle might tell us to use the value of the appraisal to record the value of the land. So again, accountants look for objective evidence. We'll be adding to our list of Gaap in the future. Thanks.